Things to do when babysitting. It's only natural for some children to feel a bit leery of spending time with a babysitter while mom and dad are away, especially if it is their first time being left with a caregiver. One way sitters can help put the child at ease is by coming prepared with age-appropriate games and activities to play. Best babysitting activities are simple to play and need no special equipment or setup, and are fun for all ages. Here are our top 10 go-to ideas. Scavenger hunt with toys. Set up an obstacle course. Read a book upside down. Make paper planes and decorate them with markers. Organize a tea party or picnic. Do a magic show and make things disappear. Play balloon tennis. Build a cubby house. Play bowling down the hall. The floor is lava.